guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Not be small something, no, my people. Pikin, who say if mama no go sleep, that pikin no go sleep too. You hear me? Pikin, who say if mama no go sleep, that pikin no go sleep, and that same thing apply to papa. Yes, pikin, who say papa no go sleep, that pikin no go sleep. So, in the next 4 days, I'm gonna find myself in 3 different countries. In the next 4 days, I am going to find myself in 3 different countries. You just follow the movement. Why would they give them the hits? We will they progress. Then we will they give them the hits. Then will they shout for social media. Who they lose? Who they lose? Who they lose? Of course, now we they win, because every single time we they find ourselves in a different location. We they move. We they move. We they move. But you continue to broadcast from one dirty room. One dirty room. You go to shout. You go to assume. You go to propagate. You go to insinuate. You go to bully. You go to buga. Meanwhile, she should not in your pocket. You go to buga. I really hate that I have to spend my precious time to deal with this. I hate it, guys. I really hate the fact that I have to spend my precious time whenever I chop filet mignon, whenever I chop drink Dom Perignon, I want to spend them on this kind of thing. It makes me sad, but this time we have to do it. All right. I'm not happy that I have to use even 5 minutes of my time to try to fix what is already broken in Edo social media space. You understand? I know they happy say I will try fight bully. Not be what I supposed to fight. We supposed to fight how we will take help our people. We supposed to fight how we will take feed all those children for streets. We supposed to fight how government will take give us electricity. We supposed to fight how many young people will take go back to school. Now what we supposed to fight from social media? Now not get sense. As I talk to you now, many young people for Edo State, for Nigeria, they not do school. Not be waiting. We supposed to use social media till they fight. Let's be real. Let's be real. Not be waiting. We supposed to use social media till they fight. Say our people not get work. 99% of the Edo people in diaspora support their family back home. You know the shame? We have a government. We get government, but most of us who they abroad. Now we they buy medicine for our family. Now we they pay our family school fees. Now we they do everything. If we build house, now we will grade the road. Now we will sink boil, we will take the water. Now we will fence our house. Now we will provide our security. Not be waiting. We supposed to fight for media be that. Then one man, Dr. Kado, Oga Boss, way too soft. Oga Boss. Oga Boss way too soft. Because of my softness, they don't want to make arrest. Because say I too soft. I beg, my buga small, my buga don't send you now. My buga. If I want to travel, I take the travel, make the pay the same.
Manchester?
Yeah, just got to Dublin now, yeah.
You going to Dublin?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, my name is, let me follow you up, man. Everywhere we go, people want to know us. Not be today.
Yeah, it's chilling.
Yeah, I have one of the biggest non-profit in Nigeria, bro. Yeah, check me out, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I have one of the biggest non-profit. We provide a lot of hate.
Yeah.
So less privilege. Yeah, check me out. You're gonna love it. Right now, what we're doing right now, this period, there's been a lot of social media bullying in my community. So I'm fighting to stop it. Yeah. What do you think about social media bullying, man?
I'm not a massive fan of social media in general, innit? So
Yeah,
it's bad, innit? They just sit behind little keyboard warriors.
man, it's crazy, brother.
They sat there on the computers and that, and they won't do it in face to face. Get a slap.
You already know. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. If anybody's seen it as well, so say like if you go up to somebody and you're bullying them, someone's gonna jump in.
Yeah.
Nobody can do that online.
Exactly.
That's why they do it.
Exactly.
It's sad for them though, innit? Like at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it's sad for them, innit? The people doing it.
No.
Deep down there's something wrong with them.
No, something's wrong with them.
Exactly.
I mean, why would you sit online to bully other people? It doesn't make sense, bro.
Bad, man. It's not good.
It doesn't make sense, bro.
Where
Because
traveling to?
I don't want to mention him here. It's a secret.
Huh?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You know, check me out, man. Dr. Cardo. Yeah, Dr. Cardo, man. Yeah, man.
Say hi to the live.
Yeah, say hi to the live.
Yes.
Give it.
Hey, have a safe travel.
One love, man. I'll link up. Yeah. You understand? My people, I don't understand. In the world whereby we can be so much, some people, the only thing that we achieve, not to they bring children down, not to they swear for children, not to they do rubbish online. In a world whereby these days you go fit make money online, and they do crypto. Many of you know what to be cryptocurrency. And they do crypto. In a world where we say you fit create content. The only content where many of these people get now to insult people. Hey, way, I be as they fly for night. All those now winks, eh? This period we will break all of them. We'll pieces you now. We'll pieces you all up now. Every single day, a God-sent beneficiary they will come out. They swear for now. If the later one will do, I believe you. Well, me not just shout for his house. I have made it a point that every single day, the people who don't help for God-sent foundation, they come out. They swear for all of them. Tomorrow, no, Monday, Monica, your turn on Monday for swear. Since you say it's a bit swear for people, on Monday, we will still gather those are women. If not talk, we will give you now. That's what we're going to do. While we are pursuing our illegal case, we're going to fight you guys physically. If I see your husband, Mr. Ambrose, just don't say I will beat you. The other one will be like Malam, Kate, husband. If I see you, no say I will beat you. Because of the fact that you are aware that your wives constantly abuse men like us, men where everything they with, men where we both they want to take picture with me. Not say just now, or you both see me one hug me. Then on our way, according to that our sister, you think they call that girl we say Toto everywhere, Toto everywhere. You think they call that girl Easy. I don't know you. I have not spoke to you, but I respect your truth. Easy. I don't know you. I have not spoke to you. I've seen a couple of your videos, but I respect your truth. I respect you because of the fact that you are not ashamed of your past. Some of all these women, they don't, dog, snake, monkey don't feel run through now. Now come they talk to me anyhow. Now we monkey, ekita. That time for Italy, at the year news. Now easy, come make me say that truth. At the year news, say that time for Italy, say dogs, the lick women toto. Easy, thank you for the exposure. Because I did not really know before until I see that your video. You say, if you don't Libya, you want cross, you know they Toto. If you get African market, Toto, I say Toto don't suffer. Toto don't suffer. Anybody, any God-sent family that is being insulted, any person that insult our foundation, all those that were EA, we will carry them come out make them they pray against them, not be swear. They will pray against them, because I have to use what I got to do the fight. I know if you come online now, you see the time at the airport, and they go. I know they go city, they go different country this time. From tomorrow, I will do on that country again. Next tomorrow, I will do on that country again. So I know if you get 2-3 hours, country they say, oh go on, go. No, I'm not gonna get that time. So I will instruct my people, our EA, all those our widows, make that they do the work for us. So every single day, a God-sent foundation beneficiary will they come outside. Will they come outside for night? I will order them, say for night, when they come out, here be when Dion. All those our EA, they'll carry breast come out for night. I don't tell them, they'll fire back. A position whereby God don't see bless us more. Instead of what we think of how we will fit to help our community, how we will fit to help our people, make them see a better day. If you don't want to support genocide, you don't have to support me. Right? You don't have to support me. It's not a problem. You self can use that time where you take the fight Godson family, where you take the fight genocide. You can use it to create a platform to help the community. I am not the president of Nigeria. I am not the governor of Edo State. I am not the commissioner of social welfare. Just a young man who get brilliant idea. Just a young man who get brilliant idea. Where if he create initiative to help our people, because of that, you don't like me. Some of you, because you don't do Olo show, and you see, say, man, genocide. I say it with a both face again. The only reason why Monica is mad at me because she wanted to sleep with me, and I refuse. I'm going to say it with a both face again. Since Monica started insulting me, was because I refused to come to her house because she had a sex proposal for me. Come on, man. If I want nyash woman, a person like Monica, I want to go nyash. Papa reason am now. Papa me na reason am now. Say I want nyash woman. I want nyash babe. I can't say a person like Monica, I want to go nyash. But that will be the juju now. So she believes say the juju where she do for her husband. Where take her husband for side bottle will work for me. Look at Kate. Kate, you are insulting me. You are insulting Dr. Kado. Then as you see dirty rich. I don't blame you now. I don't feel blame you now. Because now me put myself for the position where I did. Because if I not come outside, I can't say, you know, Edo people, let's come together. Edo people, let's help my community. Maybe if I don't able to cross path now, my friends, they vex for me. Say, genocide. Now what you see, they find. Yes, my friends, they vex for me. My friends, they vex for me. Say, genocide. Now what you see, they find. Can you imagine? The only thing will make me guilty now say I want to help my people. I never do anybody anything wrong. Oh. I have not done anybody wrong. Please prove me wrong. Now my own I they do they go. To support me not be mandatory. You don't need to support. If we come on live, hey, please donate to our foundation. You don't need to donate. The people who they donate, not they complain. The people who they donate, they see the work where they use their money they do. So what's your problem? Now you can't say you want face God's family. Now die, you want die so. This is a warfare, and if you dare, tell me say genocide. I was reading some comments earlier. Some people they tell me say, Dion, why you will bring all this EA? Why would they bring all this EA? Make they call they swear. What are you sick? What did they talk? The EA them will be say the one spoil whether for the seafood. The one spoil. Do you know I have over 100 EA on a 5,000 naira stipend every week. Over 100 old women they benefit from me. So you want me to say I not fit tell those 100 women maybe they come out they swear, give people who want spoil their way? Is that what you're telling me? You are telling me that I cannot come outside to tell all our beneficiaries, say, these people don't want men at chop, men are begin swear. My people, make they think well. My people, more they think well. You see, I'd rather not do this. This is not my way. This is not my way. You understand? The 1 hour I get, I suppose use that 1 hour to think of how I will take make more money. Or how I will create another initiative who will help our people, or how I will improve myself, or even take an online class. But I'm sorry we have to spend it in doing this Today I was in a meeting for 2 hours. Lawyer, Ava, this. You think I want to do that? No, I don't want to do that. But I have no choice than to defend every member of a God-sent foundation. I have no choice than to defend every member of a God-sent foundation and the God-sent family. Be rest assured that this is a fight that we are not going to back out. We will see who strong pass. This is going to be the very first time since 2016 that they have been insulting me that I actually want to do something about it. Look at how the young lady Monica Lewinsky, look at the way she insulted Albert's son. Despite everything Albert has done to me, I have not one day insulted Albert's son. I have not one day insulted Albert's mother. That's to show you the kind of man that I am. Justice for Owen Obaze. Justice for J-Boy. All of you now, what they doing here? Eh? See, when I go listen to Mary Edos, Mary Edos, I saw your video. You have common sense. Mary Edos, I saw your video. You have common sense. Because if I say you read my mind, well, you were one of the people who also insulted me anyway. But I forgive you. Because Jesus Christ said, how many times will forgive people? He says 70 times 7. 70 times 70. You understand? You were one of the people, but I'm happy that you realized that what you did was wrong. And we have moved on for that. Please, Mary Edos, I want you to join me. This is not a fight for God's sake. It's a fight for everybody. If it not affect you today, it will affect you tomorrow. All this nonsense what they do online, they insult person papa, they insult person Pikin, they carry juju, they come out. If it not affect you today, it will affect you tomorrow. This is a fact. We not agree. So somebody have went to hijack our WhatsApp group. Stop bullying now WhatsApp group. Somebody don't go hijack him. That person who hijack him from a Monday will begin lay cost on your generation. Yeah, we have to use our tools. I know come online now. Come they have say, oh go on boy, come on man. There's nothing you can mock me with. You cannot bully a person who is not ashamed of embarrassment. You cannot bully Oga boss. Huh? You want to bully me? Best way reach to take care of you. I'm out of here. Update later on. I'll see you all. The movement is on. Tell them. All of them, they will hear word. Huh? It's enough. Are you guys not ashamed? What message are you sending to your children? What message are you sending to your children? For years, they have been bullying genocide. The records are there, all the evidence are there. Agbon gboma yo se, people can be very, very bitter about your not be saying you the owe them just because you fine, just because you soft. People will not invest for you. Can you imagine? Just because I not anybody with the social media, please come outside and tell me what genocide has done wrong to you. I want to know and I want to apologize to you. Nothing. All of them want to use genocide to make name. People will know they get 1,000 views before. Now that they talk about genocide, they know they get views. I'm not mad at you. Man, I greet you now, my people, man. I let them shout. Will they give them back to back? Please, God send family, don't ever you send me a message to tell me to stop. Because you all know that I have been patient as my name is supposed to be patient. I change my name to patient. How do they do person rich? Lazy Albert, where they say gutter. Where they say gutter. Inside smelling gutter for Benin, Amagba village. As we speak to you right now, Edo State, Benin City, before I go miss my flight, I will soon come out. As I speak to you right now, Benin City is one of the worst cities in the world. The person where not even this city, not even this city, is outside of the city, where for night, this kind of time, now, all those flog, not the maintenance of the area. Then you will call them mock somebody like me, where they move, where we want to go 3 countries in 3 days. Not be small country, major countries. Huh? Even the short dude in America, Iranomigo, look at all the deformation of character that they did. Imagine all this time where they say they fight. Imagine say we use this time to pull one big force. All this now fight. Imagine say all of us come like this. Big. We come to the government. We fight government. Say make government fix school for. Make government fix school. Make government build hospital. Make government do our road. Make government do solar light. Imagine the success. You are fighting a man who is not the governor of Edo State, who just have an initiative to help his people. They fight me. No wahala, man. I greet all of you now. So good. I have to catch my flight. Oh shit. Problem in not the finish. No, don't worry. Huh? I did, man, don't worry. I did. That's what they give now. They progress, they go. Now they in a room. In the next 1 week, now in a room now we'll still there. Seven. Where's the gates? 20. In the next 1 week, now we'll do in our room. We don't reach 3 or 4 countries. That's to show how stupid most of you are. Huh? Most of you are now want to fight this case. You'll do online. Monica, I don't tell you finish. Huh? Help me pass this message to Ambrose. If I see him, personally, I will beat him. Kate, help me tell your husband. If I see him, personally, I will beat him. Are you hear me so? One love. Dr. Cardo.